In this video series, I will be doing an analysis of a hand-picked altcoin or DeFi coin and tell you about a potential trade. Also, in the next video of this series, I will be recapping the trade of the previous video. So if you want to hear about a potential trade, stay tuned. So in this video we will be looking at the Sushi Tether futures contract. The price is trying to break 2.23 and move up to 2.6 at least. As you can see, there has been resistance at the 2.23 area before, but hopefully it will break through that. The Bitcoin price is positive today, so that should only work as a catalyst. Keep in mind that you should always trade on isolated margin and protect your trade. I suggest using a trailing stop loss and let that stop you out when the price pulls back 3%. I will update the title of this video later on today and let you know how much you could have made or lost, so watch out for that.